Charlie Cushane here to do another truck camper mod on my 2012 Chalet double slide. However, this mod involves the inside, so let's go take a look. Welcome inside the Chalet truck camper, and as you can see in this slide we have the actual galley, and what I want to do today is put on some what they look like is subway tiles. These are stick-on, very light, flexible, and you can trim them with a knife. And I'm going to put them all around this backsplash. You can see they'll go right here. So hopefully it shouldn't be too hard. These are very light, so it won't add much weight to the camper, which is a good thing. And it's easy to wash off if you ever get a splatter on it. So I think it'll really make this look better. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing they tell you to do before applying the tiles is clean the surface it's going to stick to, just in case there's any splatter or grease. So that's what we're going to do. I have some grease remover here, antibacterial grease remover. I'm just going to give it a little spray. There we go. They also say let it dry for really like 24 hours to make sure it's really dry. Okay, time to cut the first piece. So I'm going to cut it and put it right up here on this side. I got a nice sharp X-Acto knife. I hope I can do this in one cut. Let's see. There we are. And that's what I cut off. You see, I had to get beyond this starter right here. Okay, now let's see how it fits. Okay, so now we peel the backing off. I say peel half of it off. That way you can sort of get it lined up. And then you peel the other half off. There we go. Now I have a roller. This will assure it's nice and flat, and get any air pockets out. As you can see, it says overlap here. So the next tile just got to go like that and stick on top of this. So now we peel off this edge. There we go. Then that staggered edge will meet with that. Again, I'll do half. Line it up. Peel off the rest. Stick it on. Alright. Roll out any air bubbles. go. You cannot tell where that joint is. That's how good that is. Okay, to take this down, there are 4 screws that have to come out. Now I can get in there and work with no troubles. Okay, after much debate with a bunch of friends, we sort of discussed going all the way up, and they thought it would be better if this only went up like this far, and it was more of an accent than an entire thing. So we've decided we're going to go just under this valance, another 5 inches. These are 10-inch panels, another 5 inches, and that's the height we're going to go to all the way around. So that's the new plan. Now to continue on, my next piece, we'll go here, but look at this big radius. So I absconded a candy dish, which happens to be just the right radius. So now I can use this as my cutting template to cut the bottom piece. Wow, here's the kitchen portion, all done. That came out great. And it matches the countertop beautifully. I love it. Now we go on to the bathroom.